There's an important update for you if you'll be writing Jamb this year. If you'll be writing 2025 Jamb, I need you to just pay attention to a few points I'll be pointing out for you. This is just the guideline that will help you Jamb. So your registration for Jamb starts from January 14th. Wednesday, January 14th. You can start registering from Wednesday, 14th of January 2025. Okay, so before January 14th, you cannot start registering. You can just be reading. That doesn't mean you should not be reading. You can be reading, getting yourself ready. But when you will be able to pay and register, upload everything, will be from 14th January. But after that day, you have between 14th January, the last date for registration will be February 20th of February. So you have between Wednesday, January 14th to Wednesday, February 20th, 2025. So between 14th of January to 20th of February in the year 2025, you can register for 2025 Jamb. The mock exam date will be 7th of March 2025. If you want to print your mock slip, reprinting, you want to reprint your mock slip, it will be on Thursday, April 10th, 2025. Thursday, 10th April 2025. Okay, so these are just important. Remember, if you want to join our talk with me on WhatsApp, if you want me to send you materials you need in Jamb, like your syllabus. If you need to know, syllabus are those subjects that Jamb brought out for your core exam. If you need to know those things, just watch this video to the end, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, then come under this video and tell me that you have subscribed, then I'll send it to you. Examination date, the key date for the exam will happen within 10 days in April, from April 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 28th. It will happen within April 18th to April 28th in 2025. Your Jamb result will be released on April 30th, 2025. April 30th, 2025. Which novel will you read? The compulsory novel is The Life Changer by Khadija A. Jali. The Life Changer novel. Reprinting exam slip. If you want to reprint your Jamb 2025 exam slip, will be on April 10th, 2025, Thursday, April 10th. Let us run through it. Exam registration, Wednesday, 14th January to Wednesday, 20th February. Mock exam date, 7th March 2025. Reprinting of mock slip, April 10th, 2025. Examination date, April 18th to April 28th, 2025. Result release date will be 30th April 2025. Compulsory novel, The Life Changer. Reprint examination slip, Thursday, April 10th, 2025. Remember to go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any question concerning Jamb, WAEC, NECO, GCE, or any examination that you are facing, just feel free to let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, copy this video and send to your friends. Share it to your friends. We wish you all the best in your Jamb examination.